All right. 94 Chevy C1500. It's a 4L60E. Here's the input speed sensor, or well, the vehicle speed sensor. Alright, knock the rest of this tail housing off. Oh yeah, nice. That was trash. Alright. Dig all the crud out from underneath these tabs so I don't break them. Alright, good enough. This one's being a little stubborn. Alright, here we go. Let's go ahead and pull our servo. Trash in there. Alright, there's our servo. What'd I tell you? Corvette servo. Just the way it shifted, I knew. Yeah, is it a Corvette servo? Yep, sure is. That will not go back in it. Alright, 2/4 servo. That's what applies the band. Go ahead and pull my pump bolts. gonna start puking. No magnet. Yeah, somebody's built this before, but yeah, somebody left the magnet out. That is a no-no. Grab a little screwdriver. Let's go ahead and unclip our solenoids. This is 3 to 2 downshift. This, manifold pressure switch, and then solenoids A and B. And this is EPC, electronic pressure control. And then this is torque converter clutch solenoid. Get this harness out of my way. This is 1-2 accumulator. Sorry. Broken spring. Did it eat the body of the... Yep, it's junk. Fuck. You see it? Mm-hmm. Spring. There's our valve body. Make sure that manual valve went in. Okay, I need a magnet. We'll have 7 check bowls on this side of the plate. Most of them probably already rolled off. 1, 2. There's 4. This one's stuck in the plate. See anymore? That's alright. I think they all rolled off. Not a big deal. Alright, it's a plate stiffener. There's one. She's cooked on there good. Here's that check ball. It's stuck in the plate. Okay. We'll have one more check ball. What do I do with that magnet? There it is. Right there. This is 4th gear servo, no spring. I don't know why they done that. I would have at least flipped it. I have no clue when this was built. Alright, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to get everything out of the case. And then I'll start going through my sub-assemblies so I get this case off the bench. Alright, let's pull our pump. Oh yeah, she's in there. Pause that. Alright, let's get our pump out of here. It fought us enough. Alright. I usually, I'll wait. Let me get this case out of my way. We'll take this apart in a second. I'm feeling to see if the input drum cut grooves in here. And it did not. It's our band anchor. Okay, this is our reverse input drum and our input drum. This houses reverse clutch, and the band, wow, that band smoked. The band holds this drum for 2nd and 4th. And then the input drum houses 3/4 clutch, forward clutch, and overrun clutch, or manual clutch. Yeah. Okay. Sun gear. Pull this way a little bit. Okay. It's our forward planetary and ring gear. I'm just going to check it real quick. Usually this one always survives. good. Here's our drive shell, sun gear. These always break or strip. So even, just like in this case, I can see the teeth are stripping a little bit. So even though this is good, I'll still replace it. The new ones, they harden these splines. So it took care of the issue of these stripping out or breaking this ring off here completely. That's trash. Okay, let me pull my snap ring. Get out of there. Here's our output shaft. Alright. This is low and reverse clutch. This is a low roller clutch for Sprag. It's a one-way clutch. It locks one way and spins free the other. Oh, she got hot. It's our ring gear and rear planetary. The parking pole, when you put this vehicle in park, it actually locks into one of these notches. I find these broke a lot of the times because people will slam it into park before the vehicle stopped, and that parking pole will skip off of here and crack it. Okay, our rear planetary, these are always a problem. Yeah, I can tell whoever built this last, they put a new one in it because it's got the butterfly washers. And it's in good shape. That's a damn good thing. Alright. I need to pull my piston, but I'll wait. Let me get this off of my bench. Trying to drain a little of the fluid out. That bushing's wiped. Case bushing's bad. Okay. Yep. So we start at our pump first, because I'm curious to see if they actually updated it to a 13 vane. I bet they didn't. And this is just a fix, so I'm not going to either. If it was a rebuild, I would. look at her cover. That's good so far. Alright, yep, they did not update it. It's a 10 vein pump. It is what it is. And debating on even pulling the freaking slide. I will. Because I'm going to put a new bushing and seal in it, so. See if our pivot pin's wore out. Nope, it's in good shape. Pull our slide. Oh, that slide's wore out. All the bluing's gone. That sucks. Yep. Customer's gonna have to buy. Yeah, this. It'll get upgraded to a 13 vein. Alright, let's take a look at her drums. Bushings are white. This thing got low on fluid. That's what burnt this up. It wasn't a failure. Smoked. See the black ring? Yeah, it just got low on fluid and smoked them. Just trying to see if I could read a date on these to get an idea of when they built it. Nope. Okay. Alright, input drum. Ah, they put load release springs back in. That's a good thing. Those are load release springs. Years ago, GM sent a bulletin saying to throw these away during an overhaul, and then a few years later they said, nope, put them back. So some builders do, some builders don't. This is a 3/4 clutch.